Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about WPC doors and their advantages and disadvantages. WPC, which stands for Wood Plastic Composite, is a material that is made by combining wood fibers and plastic. This material has become increasingly popular in recent years as a substitute for traditional wooden doors. Advantages. 1. Durability. One of the biggest advantages of WPC doors is their durability. They are resistant to moisture, termites, and other elements that can cause damage to traditional wooden doors. 2. Low maintenance. WPC doors require very little maintenance, unlike traditional wooden doors that need to be sanded, painted, or varnished regularly to keep them looking good. 3. Water resistant. As WPC is made from a combination of plastic and wood, it is highly resistant to water damage. This makes it a great choice for use in areas that are exposed to moisture, such as bathrooms and kitchens. 4. Environmentally friendly. WPC doors are made from a combination of recycled materials, which makes them an environmentally friendly choice. Disadvantages. 1. Cost. One of the biggest disadvantages of WPC doors is their cost. They are more expensive than traditional wooden doors, and this may be a barrier for some people. 2. Aesthetic appeal. Some people may prefer the traditional look of wooden doors, and may not find WPC doors to be as attractive. 3. Limited color options. Although WPC doors are available in a range of colors, they may not be as versatile as wooden doors, which can be painted or stained to match any decor. Conclusion. In conclusion, WPC doors are a great option for those looking for a durable, low-maintenance, and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional wooden doors. However, they may not be suitable for everyone due to their cost and limited color options. Before making a decision, it's important to weigh the advantages and disadvantages and determine what's right for you and your home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this.